Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Greenshift's counterblock in WordPress. This is a mini-series on discussing Greenshift's blocks individually. So to get started, let's go ahead and open a brand new blank page and take a look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to do this. If you've logged in from the backend, that is, you're on the login page for the admin access with your username and password, you'll end up on your dashboard. And from here, just go on your left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're on your home page and you're already logged in, as you can see here, you'll have a top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. That's going to take us to the WordPress block editor and give us a brand new blank page. Alright, so we're here on the block editor. Let's do some housekeeping. If this sidebar isn't here, click on this button here that says Settings. It's beside the Publish button, and this is where we will configure our block. Next, let's go ahead and add a page, a counter block test. All right, and let's actually add the counter block. So to do that, there's this blue button here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we can either search counter here, or we can scroll down to where it says Greenshift Elements, and you'll see we have counter over here. Let's go ahead and drag and drop that over here, and we will get our counter. So let's give ourselves some space here by clicking X, and we will have more space to work with. Okay, we have some options here. We can change the margin and padding. We can also make this centered, and let's center this on our page just to keep it easy to look at for this video. Now let's take a look at our options. We have block classes here. We can change the shape and so on. We can do this. We can add really cool effects, but let's not worry about that, and let's look at the general settings. First and foremost, we have our bottom label. Let's say instead of users, we want to put subscribers, and then there's a postfix. Yeah. Cool individuals, right? Okay, and then we can start it with right, and then end with okay, yeah, right, okay, and then for duration we can make it longer. All right, 3 seconds. We can make it happen in 1 second, right? And I'll keep it on 1 second to make it just that fine. And then we can change the alignment on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Also the label, we can change that. Also depending on desktop, tablet, and mobile, just to make it responsive. Next we have colors. The numbers, we can make it a certain color. The label, we can make it a different color altogether. We can change the border radius, which we can't really see here. And then numbers, sizes, and spacing, we can change the number size. We can change the label font size, make it a bit bigger here. And then the minimal width, minimal height. Okay. And then the number spacing between the two. And then typography value. We can change the decoration and the casing. That's kind of loud. I like that. All right. And then we can change our typography label, which is this one over here. Let's make it a normal underline. And then for background, let's go ahead and choose a gradient that contrasts with these. Okay, I think this one works fine. We can change how it looks like when we hover over it, but let's keep it simple. Spacing if you wanted, add a shadow if you want, change the hover shadow. And next we have size, width, height, aspect ratio. I'll just leave it at this because we're only focusing on this one block. And then finally, for advanced options, we can add an animation. And it seems a bit broken, but actually it's just a bug with the preview. So we have that. We have our CSS transformation, interaction layers, advanced positioning options here, custom CSS, and responsive options if you want to hide it, and advanced HTML anchor, additional CSS classes. So let's go ahead and click on Save and publish our work and take a look at the live site. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the live site. And here it is, animated and with all of our customizations applied. So there's how you use Greenshift's counterblock in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.